guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Delighted. Friends, today in this video is all about Takealot haul. So friends, if you are interested in this video, please do watch till end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Here is my products. So let me show you. Some of the products are already assembled because I need to test it how it works and works well or not. So finally, if it is working fine only, then I will review in front of you because those products will be worth to buy. So let me start. This first thing which I got is this pillow covers. This is a plain grain color pillow covers. I think I got this for only 200 rand on Takealot. These are so simple and I think it is elegant also, and the quality of the product is so good. It is 100% cotton, and I was having the bedspread. I have many bedspread, but I was not having the pillowcase, so I thought of taking this pillowcase, at least one pair. So I buy this product. Friends, I chosen this grey color. Even though it is untidy, it is not at all visible like whitish in color cloth looks like, so I took this grey color. Guys, the next thing I got is this beautiful mat. I can also say this as a carpet. So see here, it is like you are special. Okay, it is large enough. I think it is of 70 cross 140 centimeter. So this one I took specially for my kitchen area. Even though there is a shortage of some length, I searched many shop, but I couldn't found the exact length for my kitchen. So finally I got this one, and this is super comfortable, guys. Especially for this winter, it is super comfortable. There is a shortage in small length, but it looks so good, so attractive to my kitchen. So let me show you that picture also. So, and I think I ordered, there was not at all black color shade. I ordered a purple color, but I got the black shade, and I was happy also because black, as I said before, black, even though it is untidy, it doesn't show. So if it is white, it will be like, it doesn't look so well. So I took black. Even though it is untidy, it looks perfect. So, and it is backside, it is of grip. You can easily fit to your floor, and it is grip. It has a well grip. The quality of the product is perfectly according to my taste, and the carpet is super well finished, and I think it's definitely worth. And let me tell you the price. I got this for 250 rand on Takealot.com, and I think it's definitely worth. And the smoothness, the texture, everything I loved. So I thought, yeah, this is perfect for my kitchen. From long time I'm used to searching or seeking where I get my kitchen. And finally, even though it is not of correct size, but I literally satisfied with this product. So guys, the next thing I got this is this Z-shaped shoe rack, especially for outdoor, not indoor. For indoor also I bought another product, but this one is for outdoor. The Z-shaped shoe rack. This is specially made in China. So this is an installation shoe rack. It is not a fixed one, and it is so easy installation. All the parts will be there, and you just need to assemble it like this, and all the instruction has been given here. And I think this is perfect for even it is less also, and it was perfect for my outdoor. So thought of buying this also. Let me show you that picture also with a different color shade, but as you know, I will always choose a gray or black color, so I choose a gray color, taking gray or black. So my preference was black. I got gray color, and I think I got this for approximately 250 rand on takealot.com. Don't worry guys, all the product links will be on my description. If you wish to buy, you can go and check it out on my description. The next thing I got is this Omo Auto Comfort washing powder. Actually, this was not in my bucket list to buy, but the thing is, here in Takealot, only if you purchase more than 450 you'll get a free delivery. Since my washing powder was also done, I thought of adding this such that my delivery charge will be free of delivery. So I took this also since it is finished. And the speciality of this powder is it comes with auto plus comfort. Not like in India what we used to do is we used to put washing powder first and later comfort, but here I think you'll get washing powder plus comfort in one powder itself. And I also use this and I feel it is the best product, so I bought this also. I think I gave this approximately 80 rand. Guys, the next thing I got is fan. The fan is not required for this winter season, but I bought this 2 months back itself, and it was not at all assembled. It is fully disassembled, but I assembled it perfectly and used for almost 2 months, and it was perfectly working fine. Fan, the main key point is the hair, how fast the hair comes. So this fan is perfectly fine, working fine, and since it is of iron material, it gives you nice or a good air. So, and it is even for only 1 speed, the air is huge, I can say. And I got this fan for approximately 380 rand on Takealot. So let me show you that also. Yes, the next thing I got is extendable Wi-Fi router. Since the Wi-Fi was in my room and the length is not reaching to my living area, what we thought of to buy the Wi-Fi extender. So now I have fixed that Wi-Fi extender on my living area, and it is working perfectly fine. And now the Wi-Fi range is so good and I can use internet like anything. So I bought that also. I think I gave approximately 420 rand for this. So I'll also show you the video. Thing I got is this indoor slipper stand. You can also keep this outdoor also, but for outdoor I bought a tiny one because that stand is only for outwear slippers, and inside one was for like new shoes or boots or etc., or new slippers, because we do have a lot of slippers and we need a compact place for that. So I bought that, and here also it is unassembled, and I assembled it well, and I bought this 2 months back, and I want to see whether it works fine or not. So it's working fine. I'll show you the image also. And I got this product for I think 280 or approximately 350 rand in Takealot. Don't worry, the links will be on my description. That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.